In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go to Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit Google. Following that, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to check any password, click on it, enter your current screen lock and use this eye next to it to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!